Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 202 Toyota CHR. This is the 1.8 hybrid SOL model, finished in a black metallic paint. It's got a low annual road tax, which is €180. It's sold at the balance of the manufacturer's warranty. It's got a full Toyota service history and it's entity exempt up until 2024. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front fog lights as standard with the LED daytime running lights. It's got the front and rear parking sensors with the parking assist. 18-inch diamond cut multi-spoke alloys with excellent tyres all around. It's got the fold-in wing mirrors. It's got the rear tinted privacy glass. It's got a nice size spacious boot with fold-down seats for additional space. It's got the keyless entry. Lots of legroom in the back. It's got the ISOFIX for the car seats on both sides. It's finished in a half leather, half cloth interior. Front armrest also. It's got electric windows and electric mirrors. Keyless start, automatic headlights, multifunctional steering wheel with built-in radio, phone controls and cruise control, touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth, satellite navigation. It also has the reversing camera. It's got the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay attached also. It's got the dual climate control with air conditioning. It's got the heated front seats, USB and aux port, automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox. It's got the auto dim rear view mirror. And there's 61,547 kilometers on the clock. This Toyota CHR would make an ideal sized family car. And here at McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and book a test drive. Thank you.